In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send multiple videos on Instagram on your PC with the new update. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you are logged in to access your account and messaging features. Step 2. Open the chat where you want to send multiple videos. Navigate to the specific chat within Instagram where you wish to share the videos. Step 3. Within the chat, look for the photo icon and click on it to access the options for choosing videos to send. Step 4. Select the videos you want to send by choosing them from your PC. Once you've selected the videos, click on the Open button to add them to the chat. Step 5. After adding the videos, click on the Send button to share them. The videos will be sent to the recipient for viewing and enjoyment. By following these steps, you can easily send multiple videos on Instagram on your PC with the new update. This feature enhances your messaging experience and allows you to share engaging video content seamlessly with your friends and contacts on Instagram. Enjoy sharing your favorite videos with ease using this latest functionality on Instagram.